Okay, hey and welcome to this tutorial. This one is going to be about how to export your textures from Substance Painter and how to set them up in Maya with Arnold shaders. Of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is export your textures, so go to File, Export Textures, or use Ctrl+Shift+E on your keyboard. Choose a location you want to save the files, probably somewhere inside of your project source images folder. I'm just going to use PNG as the file type and set the resolution to 4K, as I'm going to be rendering the shield pretty close up. And then just click export. Back inside of Maya, the first thing you're going to want to do is apply an Arnold shader to the model. You can do so by holding the right mouse button and going to Assign New Material. Select Arnold here on the left and apply a new AI standard surface to our object. Nice, so I'm going to be working my way down these settings, starting out with the base color map. Set the weight to 1 as we want all the color data coming from our map, and then just click the checkered box next to our color slider. Choose File, and then navigate to the base color map. We don't need to change the color space for this map, so let's move on to metalness. Again, click the checkered box, choose File, and then select the metallic map. This time we do want to change the color space, and we want to set it to raw. Oh, and by the way, if you can't see the textures, just press 6 on the keyboard, or just click this little button up here. Right, so we're done with the base parameters, let's move on to specular. Let's just add our roughness map into the specular roughness. Remember, set it to raw. The last thing we're going to want to do in our simple workflow is set up the normal map. Go down to the geometry tab and click the checkers on the bump map setting. Change where it says use as bump and set it to tangent space normals. And then just click on the little black box and triangle thing here to change the bump value. Just navigate to the normal map and just remember to set it to raw. Right, so now we have all the maps set up, we just need to change a couple of things for the metallic and roughness maps to work correctly with Arnold. Open up the Hyper shader and then hold right click on the shader and go to Graph Network. You're going to be able to see the shader plus everything we plugged into it in this nice visual graph. Okay, right, so let's start with the roughness. At the moment, the specular roughness is coming from the alpha of the texture map. For this to work, we need to check the alpha's luminance down here. Alternatively, if you don't have alpha in your maps, as you're using a JPEG for example, you can just connect one of the color channels. I generally just use red. So let's go ahead and do that to the metallic map. As you can see, metalness isn't displayed here, so just drag it to the yellow dot and find it in the menu here. Nice, now all there's to do is put in a couple of lights and hit render. So that's it for this quick Substance Painter to Arnold workflow. I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.